In this video, we will be learning about word order. Basic word order. Word order is the order or arrangement of words in a phrase, clause, or sentence, according to the Merriam-Webster Dictionary. In English, the most basic word order is subject-verb. So the subject comes first and then the verb. We can call that SV. The subject is the noun, that is the person, place, thing, or idea that is doing something or being something. The verb is the word that describes the action or the state of the subject. For example, she runs. That is a simple sentence. The subject is she and the verb is runs. In English, the subject cannot be omitted as it can in some other languages. So make sure to never omit the subject. We always need a subject and a verb in every sentence. Word order with the be verb. The be verb is am, are in the present, is the most commonly used verb in English. It links the subject to another noun. For example, Maria is a surgeon. It's like saying Maria equals a surgeon. We are linking Maria to surgeon. It also links the subject to an adjective. For example, he is athletic. It's like saying he equals athletic. He is being linked to athletic. Therefore, the be verb is often called a linking verb. There are other types of linking verbs as well, such as seem, become, and feel. Those are words that link the subject to a noun or an adjective. Word order with objects. Of course, sentences usually consist of more than just a subject and verb. Another common sentence word order in English is subject-verb-object, or SVO. The object is the receiver of the action of the verb. For example, she hits the boy. So she is the subject, hits is the verb, the boy is the object. So the boy is receiving the action of the verb, hits. In addition to the subject-verb-object word order of English sentences, additional information can be added by adding a variety of elements, such as prepositional phrases, adverbials, and complements. So there are many other things we can add to a sentence. For example, she hits the boy on the head. So here we have she, which is the subject, hits is the verb, the boy is the object, and now we have a prepositional phrase, on the head. It's because it starts with the preposition on. She hits the boy on the head often. So same thing, but now we added often, which is an adverbial. She hits the boy in the classroom on the head often. So same thing, but now we added in the classroom, which is another prepositional phrase because it begins with the preposition in. Sentences can be made longer with more detail, but always with a subject and verb acting as anchor points for the sentence. Without a subject and verb, you don't have a complete sentence. In order to identify the subjects and verbs in a sentence, you can ask yourself these three questions. So 1, what is the action? And that will tell you the verb. 2, what word links two or more other words? And that will tell you the verb if it is a linking verb. 3, who or what is performing the action? That will tell you the subject. Here are some examples. Emily wrote. What is the action? Wrote, and that's the verb. Who wrote? Emily, that's the subject. The child cries. So what is the action? Cries. Cries is the verb. Who cries? The child. Child is the subject. 3, she is intelligent. What word links two or more other words? We have is in the sentence, which is a linking verb. Who is intelligent? She. That's the subject. 4. The boy with the red jacket is my nephew. What word links two or more other words? Is, which is a linking verb. Who is my nephew? The boy. So note that in this sentence, the boy is the subject and not the boy with the red jacket, because boy is the main noun we have here. These are just other words that are describing boy.